So I thought there was something janky with my steering, and I pulled over, and it's not my steering, which is really good because that would be messed up in the middle of nowhere. But my tire is completely flat. So I tried to fix it flat, and it seems to be working. And I love this air moto. So you don't need one of those big, huge compressors, which I used to carry around. I carry around this little air moto. It was like $100. It is a lifesaver and really convenient. We are here in the middle of nowhere, Idaho. Broken down. Travel America is no longer traveling for now. Charlie, what do you think of the little